Do you want to know how you can change your number in WhatsApp? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your WhatsApp number. Go ahead and open WhatsApp, which is on your phone. Click on the three dots or the menu icon on the top right hand corner and then click settings. Now click on account and then you can see change number over here. Tap on it and then click next. What you need to do is write down your old phone number with your country code and your new number. So after writing the country code of your old phone number and your new number, go ahead and press next. A OTP code will be sent to your current phone number, and after you enter it, your new phone number will be updated. So guys, this is how you change your number on WhatsApp. Let me show it to you once again. Open WhatsApp, click on the three dots, go to settings and then click on account. Now you can see change number, tap on it and then click next. Write down your old phone number and your new number. Then press next. An OTP code will be sent to your old phone number, verify it and then you can change your number. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.